Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Joe Nall 2025. Just wanted to give you a close-up of the SR-71 slash Oxcart. Just gorgeous, really nice. Long, beautiful. I mean, the word is wow. Meticulous in every way. Even the panel lines, as you can see there, just pops. And those wheels. Look at those wheels right there, folks. Just amazing. Really something. Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Hey Danny, can I grab those bits that I got?
All right, friends, more to come.